Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is what I'm wearing for the waterfall. First, we're gonna get some breakfast, go to the waterfall, come back, go tanning at the pool and swimming. The weather in ATL is very, very nice, and I'm excited. This is Kayla. I'm weak. I'm not helping nobody. Got a model, but she got a body. I'm walking the top, but it can't stop me. She can get me like a zombie. Currently at the waterfall. Look at the water. It's so pretty. Literally, like. But yes, we're about to walk to some pretty area.
Wake up, filthy.
Uh, 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 uh. Hello, hello. Anybody there? Watch me sit it on his face, stare at my bitch. Hello, hold on. I know you see the shit. When I walk into the club, all the bitches mad. When you look at me, when you look at me, you see dollar signs. When you look at me. When you look at me, you see dollar signs, diamonds in your eyes. I can tell you like this, I can tell you like that, I can tell you like this, I can tell you like that, I can tell you like this, I can tell you like that, I can tell you like I can tell you like I can tell you like I can tell you like.
Can I pick up mine?
Okay.